over here you can see that I have a project file right here, and here you can see that there are 4 nodes right here. So on the nodes you can see that I've made some correction right here. Let me just go around, make some changes over here as well, and over here as well, let me just go around and make a change. And here you can see that the 4 serial nodes right here are linked with one another. Let's say, for example, you want to go around and disable the effect in one of the nodes right here, but you don't want to delete that particular node. In that case, you can go around and hide that node by going around onto the number where it shows the number. You can click over here, and what happens is that that node becomes disabled for a while. You can do this with multiple nodes, and you can see that now this node is active and this node is active just like this, and you can disable this as well so that only this node is in effect. You can click on individual nodes right here to get it back over here just like this as well. So apart from showing and hiding, you can also reset out the nodes. So to do that, you can go around onto a particular node that you want to get the default values back off, and then you can right click on that particular node and click on reset node grade. Once you do that, this becomes back right here and it matches the previous node. As you can see, I can right click on this node and reset the node grade for this one as well, and this comes back to default, this comes back to default, and only the other 2 grades are added in. So this is great if you want to go around and restart out a color grade according to how you want. And that is how you can hide nodes and even reset out the node values inside Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.